Welcome back to the GIZGUIDE channel. This is Julie, and for today's video, i-feature natin ng newly launched 5G phone from Infinix, the Infinix Note 12 Pro 5G. If you follow our channel, a few weeks ago, we released our unboxing and first impressions of this device. If you haven't seen that, there's a link in our description box below. Now, before we proceed with our full review, mag-recap muna tayo kung ano bang meron dito sa Infinix Note 12 Pro 5G. Priced at 12,499 pesos, ito lang naman ang isa sa pinakaunang Note-branded phones from Infinix na mayroong 5G. For the build and design, gawa siya sa polycarbonate materials and available siya in forest black and snowfall colors. Yung forest black is classy tignan, matte din yung texture niya which makes the device somewhat fingerprint resistant. For cameras, it has a 108MP f1.75 main shooter, 2MP macro cam, 2MP depth sensor, and a 16MP selfie camera. Sa part 1 ng review natin, makikita nyo yung camera samples that we took, and like we said nga dun sa video na yon, overall, okay yung camera niya. We just wish na ultra-wide na lang instead of macro yung binigay sa atin ni Infinix. Now, for the part 2 ng ating review ng Infinix Note 12 Pro 5G, itetest natin yung performance niya when it comes to media consumption, games, battery, and connectivity. And with that said, let's get into the video. This device sports a 6.7-inch True AMOLED screen with FHD plus 2400 by 1080p resolution. And since this is an AMOLED, expected na maganda talaga yung contrast and vibrant yung colors niya even in different lighting conditions. Hindi rin ganun kalaki or kaliit yung screen, ideal lang if you want to binge watch on Netflix or YouTube. The display settings, same lang sa usual na Infinix phones. May eye care, dark theme, adaptive brightness, and so on. Minor comment lang namin is hindi siya high refresh rate. It would have been nicer if 120 or at least 90Hz man lang yung refresh rate niya. For sound quality, this phone has dual speakers with DTS or digital theater sound. Malakas yung speakers niya, although may konting distortion kapag naka-max volume, pero decent naman siya if you set it to 70%. If gusto nyo ng better audio experience, pwede nyong gamitin yung 3.5mm headphone slot niya by plugging in your favorite low-powered wired headphones or earphones. Para naman sa cameras, it has a 108MP f1.75 main shooter, 2MP macro cam, 2MP depth sensor, and sa harap, meron siyang 16MP selfie camera. Madali lang i-navigate yung cam UI niya, madami ring available na camera modes as shown on the screen. For our camera sample, sa daylight, makikita nyong vibrant talaga yung colors niya, lalo na pag tirik yung araw. Using the 108MP, same lang sa daylight, maganda pa din yung colors with deep contrast and good detail. Kaya niyang mag-zoom in from 1x hanggang 10x, pero expect nyo na magiging blurry yung photos nyo with each zoom level. Para naman sa indoors, okay pa rin yung colors niya and decent naman yung contrast. Yung portrait niya can be adjustable from f1.0 to f16, and sa picture na to, naka f4.0 tayo, which is the mid-level lang. Decent yung edge detection niya, nag-struggle lang sa strands ng hair at sa strap ng bag as seen sa photo. For macro shots, medyo blurry and wash out yung colors niya, and for low light shots, medyo hit and miss para sa amin. As you can see sa photo na to, decent yung quality and colors niya, pero if madilim talaga yung area, it will struggle a bit. Using the super night, naging brighter yung photos natin and mas nakita yung details. Medyo may pagka-blurry lang with this photo, pero mas gumanda yung colors niya compared sa low light shot kanina. For selfies, decent yung 16MP selfie cam, accurate yung colors, and deep naman yung contrast. Bright and may accurate colors din yung portrait selfie niya, strong yung bokeh effect, pero nag-struggle lang ng kaunti when it comes to edge detection. Yung beauty mode by default may high level of smoothness, skin lightening, and face thinning na pwede nyong i-adjust accordingly. Lastly, for low light selfies, same sa rear cam, hit and miss siya para sa amin. Like in this photo na may ample light, decent yung quality niya, but in this photo, naging blurry siya. Using the super night, naging brighter and accurate yung colors niya, but still a bit blurry. For our videos naman, it can take 720p, 1080p, and 2K at 30 FPS, but there's no indication if may any sort of stabilization siya. Meron din siyang AR shot. Overall, okay yung camera sensors ng phone na to. Especially yung 108MP na sharp and vibrant kumuha ng photos. Sana lang ay ultra-wide na lang instead of macro cam yung binigay sa atin ni Infinix. Although may napansin pa rin kaming inconsistencies when it comes to photo and video exposure, also wala siyang 4K video capability despite having a large sensor. Para naman sa internals, this device is powered by the 2.4 GHz 6nm MediaTek Dimensity 810 octa-core processor with Mali-G57 MC2 GPU. It also has an 8GB RAM na pwedeng i-extend virtually up to 13GB. For the storage naman, it has 128GB expandable up to 1TB via microSD card slot. With these specs, this phone got this benchmark score on Antutu and Geekbench. In real-life use, responsive and mabilis naman yung device. Kahit na marami tayong naka-open na apps. Isa rin highlight ng device na ito ay yung gaming performance niya. All thanks to the brand new Darlink 2.0 Ultimate Gaming Booster, which optimizes our apps for a more stable and smooth gaming experience with lower power consumption. And totoo namang smooth ang performance niya with games like Mobile Legends Bang Bang and PUBG Mobile. For demanding games like Genshin Impact, nakaset siya sa lowest graphic settings by default, and we experience minimal frame drops, pero overall, it is still playable. For thermals, sabi ni Infinix, it has a 9-layer cooling system with graphene for up to 5 degrees Celsius reduction in core temperature in order to handle high-capacity processing and heat produced by 5G communications. Umiinit siya ng konti if you play games for an extended time, pero hindi naman to the point na nakakapaso. In terms of connectivity, it has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, 4G LTE, and of course, 5G. Meron din siyang smart 5G feature na kayang mag-switch seamlessly and automatically between 5G to 4G network to reduce power consumption and improve battery life. It also has a 5G dual SIM dual standby, which enables you to use two different networks simultaneously. Security-wise, it has the usual fingerprint, face recognition, and other screen locks na responsive and mabilis naman. Mapunta naman tayo sa battery. This device has a 5,000 mAh battery capacity with 33 watt supercharge. Sa PC Mark battery test, nakakuha tayo ng 16 hours and 10 minutes, pero sa real life, we were able to use this phone for about 5 to 6 hours with 20% left nung ginamit namin siya for games and photo-video shoots. Yung charging time niya takes about an hour and a half to fully charge the phone from 0 to 100%. Para naman sa software, this device runs on the latest Android 12-based XOS 10.6 na merong new features such as storage optimizer, lightning multi-window, privacy guardian, and more. Although hindi pa rin talaga maiiwasan yung bloatware, you can always choose to uninstall them. As of now, hindi pa ganun kadami yung ads na meron ng phone na to. Although hindi pa rin talaga maiiwasan yung bloatware. Good thing is you can always choose to uninstall them. Pros and cons. Like we said in the part 1 of this video, the Infinix Note 12 Pro 5G can be a capable 5G phone kung naghahanap ka ng ultra-fast seamless connectivity with a reliable 108MP camera. Pero hindi lang yun. Together with its MediaTek Dimensity 810 octa-core processor, Mali-G57 MC2 GPU, 13GB RAM, 128GB expandable storage, and 5,000 mAh battery capacity, sulit na yung 12,499 pesos nyo. Available ang phone na to sa official stores ng Infinix sa Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok, and currently sa Lazada, it has a discounted price of 11,999 pesos, so make sure to check that out. That's it for a full review of the Infinix Note 12 Pro 5G. Let us know what you think in the comments. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up up button and subscribe as well. This is Julia of GIZGUIDE.com. See you in our next video. Bye!